Today we're going to be doing the stamp game multiplication. So that is going to be the title on your math book. And you're going to need a regular pencil crayon and some string. Or if you don't have string around your house, you can get a group of pencils or use a ruler, something like that. Something that will separate your groups. Your first thing you're going to do is set out your stamp game. You have your units on your right-hand side, then your tens, then your hundreds, then your thousands. And you're going to write your first equation in your book. Your equations are attached to your lesson and you can print them out. My first equation is 2,342 times 3. And then I have an equal sign. Please make sure one number, one symbol, one box. Okay, so our first number is our multiplican, and that's what comes out of our stamp game. And our second number is our multiplier, which tells us how many groups we're going to have. So in this case, we're going to take 2,342 and we're going to make 3 groups of this number. So we start off taking our multiplican out of the stamp game. We have 2,300, and I like to keep them nice and neat because then your work will be nice and organized. 4 tens, and 2 units. There's one group of 2,342. And then I'm going to use my string, but like I said, pencils work really well. And now I'm going to put my second group out. 2,300 42. And there's my second group. But I didn't need 2 groups, I need 3 groups. So I'm going to put another string and I'm going to pick another group. 2,340 and then 2. Great. And now we have all of our numbers out that we need. We're going to take away our groups because in multiplication, we want to know how much do we have in all, and that's going to be our product. We always start with the units and we push our units together. And here we have 6. In math, we only can have 9 per hierarchy. Once we get 10, then we have to carry over. We only got 6 here, so we're good. We don't need to do any carryover. We're going to push the 10s together next. And then we'll count our 10s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, we broke our rule. So we have 10 here, which is more than 9. So now we need to carry over. If we have 10 tens, it equals 100. So we are going to exchange all those 10s for 100 stamp. Put it down there. Now we can do our hundreds. Please always do one hierarchy at a time. We'll push those together And we'll count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, we broke our rule again. So now we need to exchange these for 1,000 because 10 hundredths equals 1,000. So we put that away and put this out. And we push these together. And this is our product. 7,026. And we put that into our math book. I always start with the units. I put the 6 first. Then I'll put the 2s in the tens column. I put 0 in the hundreds column. And I put 2, 4, 6, 7 in the thousands column. And that is how you do multiplication with the stamp game.